Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm on Amazon looking at the unicorn iPhone 11 phone cases, and they have quite a few. They're all super cute. They don't have as many as I thought they were, and some of them are for older iPhones, so that's helpful if you have an older iPhone. But I have an iPhone 11, so I was looking for a unicorn phone case for my iPhone 11. I really like this one. I think it's super cute. So I think my favorites are the one with the little unicorn, like the little chubby unicorn on it, and this one here where he's like drinking maybe some unicorn juice or something. But I just wanted to share what they had on Amazon, what unicorn iPhone 11 cases they had on Amazon. Let me know your favorite. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.